Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our review of the Oha Soup. I would say the Oha Soup is very temperamental. It's a soup that chooses the temperature at which it will be fine. This is with our leaf. Here we have some cow leg, shaki, some goat meat. This is shaki, and beef and the rest of them. One thing with Oha soup, this was cooked with ede, that's cocoyam. One thing with Oha soup is that Oha soup does not stay where it's very hot. After cooking Oha soup, it's expected that you remove the Oha soup, put it in the fridge, or put it somewhere where it's going to be cold, and then put it in the fridge. The reason is if Oha soup stays in a place that's very hot, after a while, the soup begins to go bad. So it is temperature dependent. So it's best to keep in a very cool place and eat hot. Fun, isn't it? So here, if you look at the texture of the broth here, is very thick because we use the thickener called the thickener used in this is the cocoyam. Cocoyam, how to do the cocoyam is you cook the cocoyam, remove the back, then grind it, blend it or grind it to powder, and then you can then use it as a thickener. Thickener is when you cook the soup, it's a little bit watery, then you put the either the powdered form or the you put the ground or blended cocoyam inside it and the soup start thickening. That's why you see this. The thickness determined by how you want the thickness to be. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Oha soup for Abia Imo, Ebonyi State. Oha soup for the Enugu Anambra State. If you notice there's the R and the H. So it's Oha for Anambra and Enugu State, and it's Oha for the Abia and Imo, Oha with the O for the Abia, Imo, and Ebonyi State. Well, I'm gonna go off now to test this soup, and I'll report to you how sweet the soup is. So if you want to eat, just drop a comment down there and tell me if you want to eat. Maybe one of these days I'm gonna cook this and send down to your house. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Let me go and do the testing on your behalf, and I'll report back to you on how delish this soup is. All right, just put on the comment box the next soup you want to see. If it is the Oha soup, if it is the Ofa Were, the Were soup is Oha plus Ogo, the pumpkin leaf. So if you want to see the Ofa Were, put down on the comment right now. Tell me you want to see Ofa Were. If you can spell it, Owere is O-W-O-W-E-R-E-R-E-A. O-W-E-R-E-R-E-A. Sometimes English can just spoil the Igbo sound. So drop your comment down there and tell me if you want the Ofe Owere O-W-E-R-R-I. So tell me if you want to see the Ofe Owere, and then next time we'll endeavor to cook Ofe Owere for you. Till next time I come your way, please love your country soup, love your village soup, be proud to eat your village soup. This is done in the Enugu style. The Abia style we will cook one of these days. Thank you. Have a splendid day while I go out and eat my Oha soup. Oh, mwah, 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 mwah.